Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. My name is Saurabh Pawar. Today video topic is about investigator undertaking. An investigator undertaking is a document that serves as a formal commitment by a clinical trial investigator to conduct a clinical trial in compliance with all applicable laws, regulations and ethical standards. This document is an essential part of the clinical trial process and outlines the investigator responsibility and obligations. Here are some key points about investigator undertaking. The purpose of investigator undertaking is designed to ensure that the investigator conducts the clinical trial in a responsible and ethical manner, safeguarding the rights and well-being of the trial participant and ensuring that the integrity of the trial data. Next one is the content of investigator undertaking. The document typically includes a declaration by the investigator that they will be adhere to the study protocol, conduct the trial, diligence and expertise, repeat adverse events promptly, and follow all relevant laws and regulations. Third one is a regulatory requirement. Many regulatory authorities such as US Food and Drug Administration and the European Medicine Agency EMA requires investigators to submit this undertaking as part of clinical trial application process. Fourth one is a legal significance. By the signing the investigator undertaking, the investigator acknowledges their legal and ethical responsibilities in the conduct of the clinical trial. Failure to fulfill these commitments can have legal and regulatory consequences. Fifth one is the patient safety and data integrity. The investigator plays a pivotal role in ensuring the safety of the trial participant and accuracy of the data collected. The investigator undertaking emphasizes these responsibilities. Sixth one is the oversight. An investigator is often subject to oversight by regulatory authorities, ethics committee and the sponsor of the trial to ensure the compliance with the undertaking. All over the summary is the investigator undertaking is a formal document in clinical research that underscores the investigator's commitment to conducting a clinical trial with the utmost integrity, adhering to the ethical principles and following all applicable regulations and protect the interest of trial participant and maintain the quality of the trial of data. That's all about the investigator undertaking. Thank you.